Okay, I just picked this up. The unboxing of the Tugboat V2. Got some coils and O-rings and screwdrivers for it. I don't know if this is the brushed finishing, the media blasted, or the stainless steel, but this is a lot heavier than the original Tugboat. I got it sitting on my American Pit Bull here. Take a look at that. Okay, now we're gonna take it out of this. If I can. I paid $20.21 for this. Not a bad price at all. Now the only reason I picked this up is because it has variable airflow. I watched a video on this by the name of Rip Trippers. Gotta love the variable airflow, guys. Gotta love it. Now it comes with a nice drip tip. That didn't sound too good. This is my original drip tip. Now the only way I can take this off is if I have it on my mod, which is pretty freaking ghetto. It's snug tight. I mean, look at that. This is pretty brand new. I gotta break it in. 1.9 milliliter base thing. It'll hold 1.9 milliliters of liquid in there. Now it has screws instead of Allen wrench, which I like that. What the hell? It's still pretty brand new. I'm still just breaking it in. This is really hard to get on here. I mean, golly. Buttery smooth threads. A lot heavier. Tugboat version 1's a little bit bigger. It's just magnificent. I mean, look at that. Alright, this is Thomas Vapes, and remember, smoking is dead, vaping is the future is now.